Welcome to everyone. We will show today a pocket watch from Damas. It is a pocket watch which was made by a company from Switzerland, Euro region, from the city Tramelan. Company name was Beguelin. In the shortcut was BTC, Beguelin Tramelan. This watch is silver, is still working. Here you winding by the hand. Has Art Deco sign. Glass. Has little slitage. Second hand is working very nice, and on the back side, as you see, it's quite good condition. Let's open this. So if you when we open, we'll see directly hallmarks. German moon and crown and Swiss silver GROUSE marks for 0.800 silver. Also we have FFBA here. I will show on the other pictures. It means it's like kind of hallmark. Marquee of the Fédération de Fabricants de Boîtes, Argent, in the shortcut FFBA. And we have a number with the FFBA. This number is telling us that this particular case was made by G&E Bouille from Neuchâtel, and it was made after 1934. Exactly after the 2nd August of 1934. Let's open our movement. Here we have our movement working nice. You see, this particular movement, it's called 80.5 caliber. It's known from about 1908, 1907. It was the long story of this movement, and in the beginning 80.5 was made from the brass finish. This one is nickel finish, and it's 2 adjustment, 15 jewel, and the difference with the brass and nickel version is only particular these places here on here of the case screws are a different place here and more nearly here in the brass version, which is more older. This kind of Beguelin Damas with 3 adjustments was used by the British military forces in the Second World War. This was not military, this was for normal people, as can I say, and was only 2 adjustments. It's made about 1942, 1943. As you see, it's working fine. And later, in the 50s, this company, Beguelin, was mostly focused on the wristwatches, and as most of the companies didn't make any more pocket watches. Here it's coming very nice. Here you need to push little and it's closing. If you see now, very nice condition, working. Little slitage on the glass, which is it's kind of plaster there, it's not glass. And so working fine, closing. If you're shaking, still working. So this was presentation of Damas caliber 18.5, made about 1943-44 by company Beguelin from Tramelan, Switzerland. Thank you very much.